Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a clothing haul and some things I've already got from here and were in my closet, but I want to show you kind of the selection you can get, especially for plus size clothing, and it is from where I work, and it is called, we're at Factory Connection. Now there's about 400 stores. You can already see a peek there. There's about 400 stores. There's only 3 in North Carolina. So North Carolina's kind of small, but Georgia, Tennessee, they're all in Georgia and Tennessee. That's kind of our district, North Carolina, Georgia, Tennessee. So I'm going to show you what I got for this month's clothing allowance, and I'm really happy because we got in some really cute stuff. And there was my receipt. Will it tell me what these retailed for? No, that's a different receipt. All my tags are showing. This was $24.99, and it is just a nice big sweater with a Sherpa, faux Sherpa. Here. Comes down nice. The sleeves are not too long. It's got a hood. I cannot wait for it to be cold enough to wear this. If we go back up to Boone and Blowing Rock, it'll probably be cool enough to wear this. But I love the colors, that rust, that burnt orange, the denim blues. Oh, when we got this in, I was like, that's mine. I got to have one. So I got the sweater. And I want sweaters that I can take off because where I'm so hot, I gotta be able to take the sweater off. Let me pull out my drawer so I can use it as a table. Okay, the next thing I got was just a simple pair of brown, chocolate brown leggings. No big major thing, just chocolate brown leggings. I can wear that with the sweater. Here's my receipt, the other receipts. But I got it to wear with this tunic dress. Look how pretty this is. Those teals and the rose berry colors, this deep burgundy. But it is like a long, just straight tunic dress. I'm going to wear it with those leggings. Oh, so I got that. And then I've been getting into plaid shirts, and a couple of years back, you didn't really see feminine flannel plaid shirts. You had to raid your boyfriend's closet or go in the men's department. And we got some in, and I've already bought one, and it might be in the pile that I'm going to show you that I already had. But we got this one in, and it has the cute little tie detail down at the bottom, which is not really tied. Or is it? I don't know, because I haven't sewed. You can unsew that. It's got a cute little knot detail down at the bottom. Buttons up. It's just a cute little plaid. It's not like a true flannel, but it's soft. So I got that to wear with just khakis or black pants or winter white pants. And then the last thing I got from my clothing allowance was these jeans. Because we can wear colored denim, not blue jeans. We can wear jeans that are colored. So I got these. And again, this will go back to the sweater. So I was trying to pick things I could make outfits out of, or multiple outfits out of, and not just pick random things like I normally do. So I got these burgundy jeans. They're in a size 1X. They're a skinny jean. True back pockets. Fake front pocket. But they stretch. So hopefully they'll be comfortable. Yep, just a skinny leg. And they do have a little roll up on the bottom. So that was my clothing allowance for this month. Now I'm going to show you some things that I've either bought or were on my clothing allowance back in the summer. And I will probably still wear these until it gets really cold. We got kimonos. And this one I got when it marked down to clearance I only paid like $5 for it or something. It wasn't much. And these are just flowy kimonos. So there's the first one. There's the second one. Just blue, because on the weekends we can wear denim. We can wear denim. And then this real pretty black one. But as you can see, they're just really light, really flowy. And women with hot flashes, you can wear a tank top under here and be good to go. So we have the kimonos. And we still have kimonos right now. Some of them are long, more like a duster kimono. Some of them are a little bit thicker now, but we still have some of the lightweight ones. And let me grab the rest of these. Why are you not on a felt hanger? I don't know. I'm going to be like Mommy Dearest. Why are you not on a felt hanger? Got this cute shirt on my clothing allowance. Again, berries, neutrals, ivories, greens, browns. I can wear that with all kinds of colors. I put a black jacket over it. I got this one again. It's a rust color. This really deep V-neck though. I do have to wear a cami under that. And I didn't think about it when I bought it. But yes, I definitely have to wear a cami under that. And it also has the little tie detail down at the bottom. We're getting a lot of stuff in that has that tie detail down at the bottom. I don't know. Here's the other flannel. This one is more like a flannel. Let me lay this jacket down. But it is super cute. It's pink. It's got the roll-up sleeves with the little tab that holds the sleeve. If you look at the back, there's a cute little detail running across the back right here. And it's just feminine, and that's why I liked it, because it's not like a guy's flannel shirt, you know, and it has that same detail up here on the shoulder. It's just a pretty flannel, and that's what I wanted. The last one I'm going to show you, now guys, I have more than this, but a lot of it's in the wash machine right now. I don't have a lot of camo. I don't have any camo, actually. I bought one pair of pants, and I've showed you guys, I think, those camo pants in another video a while back. They're just kind of like a tracksuit-ish kind of pant style, and they're in a camo. Well, then I saw this jacket, and it was on clearance. And I love the swing jackets. You guys know that. You've seen some of my hauls way back. I love a swing jacket, again, because if I get hot, I can just take it off. And it's just a plain cardigan swing jacket. But look, how cute to be like on trend and actually have something camo. I bought an animal print shirt last week because I have absolutely nothing in animal print. Nothing. So I got an animal print shirt so I can be trendy. I have some animal print now. Ooh. So that's just some of the goodies that we have. If you've never been in a factory connection, check them out, because it's really, we get this really cute stuff. And we get in name brand stuff like Affliction, American Fighter. This is for gents, by the way. We have gents, men's stuff. American Fighter, Fox, Adidas, Nike, Columbia, Carhartt. Trying to think of what else is in there. But a lot of big name brands on the men's side. And in the ladies' side, we've got an American Eagle, Ari, Maurice's. Now, all those are going out of business, so we have got what's left of like the merchandise that they're trying to get rid of. Miss Me jeans, Cello jeans, what is it, hydraulic jeans. What are some of the other ones? We've got, I've seen stuff in there from Fashion Nova. I'm not even playing. I've seen pants in there from Fashion Nova, Zara Woman, trying to think of some other big name brands. But yes, we do get big name brands. But that's what I got on my clothing allowance this month, and some of the stuff I got last month. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you have not got into my 2 giveaways that I have going, I will leave those videos linked down below, so be sure you check those out and get entered. One is a bundle of goodies from Ipsy, BoxyCharm, Shop Hush, some other goodies. And then the other giveaway is the Jeffree Star mini breaker and a Christmas cookie. Not these two, these are mine, but you're getting brand new ones. And I'll throw in some other goodies with that as well. So be sure you hit subscribe and check out those giveaway videos. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.